Hello YouTube friend, thanks so much for joining me. We are here today to finish up that project that we started. So exciting. Look, I want to show you on the other video. You see how I did this, which pretty much is with the blinking, and then I cut the Dollar Tree fork and put that. Now inside I just put glue on this part, and right there you see it through, and I put glitter, and then I put another coat of glue so it won't come off. So the drawers are ready and dry, which is the best. Now I want to go back to this part. These are the three I'm removing these things. um so this, I'm gonna go inside of it like this. See how pretty it's gonna be. Now this, it's a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna have to put the mirror on, and then I'm gonna have to do some type of finishing around it. So, but this is the look that it's gonna have. Let me put one on top of here, see. So it's gonna be pretty cute. You know what, this is interesting because it's not gonna go all the way in. Let me see, I might have to, let me see if I can get some something to put on the bottom. All right, so I'm gonna do the best that I can with as far as putting this up. So let me remove the drawer again, and then it's so interesting because it doesn't really fit properly because there's a little edge right there. So I think I'm gonna go towards the end, and then I will do some of these on the sides. Yeah, that will work. I can probably put 3 of these and then do some over here too. So I'm gonna glue these and come back with you, and I'm gonna use the E6000. Sorry, I'm gonna use the E6000 for this, and I'm gonna put just on top of here where the mirror is gonna go. So I'm gonna glue this, and then I'll come back with you guys. Okay, so now I glue my mirrors like that, and I'm going to glue these on the corners, the blinking on the corners right there. So I'm gonna use E6000 and hot glue, a combination of both. And I'm gonna go all the way around where there is an opening. I'm gonna put in some blinking. Okay, so I glued up all the edges of the mirror with a little blinking. There you go. Now I'm gonna put all my drawers back into place. And this is the final product. So this is the one of them, and then I'm gonna do the other one. But this is what it looks like. You got a mirror in the back. It's very lovely. There you go. And then of course you have to clean your mirror from all your strings, and but this is a perfect for a gift. As a matter of fact, I'm doing this for a gift. Let it dry, wrap it up, and goes under the tree. And I think she's gonna love it. There you go. Perfect. Very cute. And then the drawers, you can put whatever you want in it. See the shiny of the drawers. Perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, share. There you go. Please, thanks for watching, guys. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. But I will be seeing you before then. Have a great one.